the phone that never gets old. Yo, what if your phone never became obsolete? Instead of buying a brand new device every 2 years, you just upgraded the part that needed upgrading. New camera? Snap one on. Need more battery? Attach it. Want to shoot telephoto? Clip it in. Same phone, always current. Always yours. Bruh. TECNO Modular Concept Phone, revealed for the first time at Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona. It's 4.9 millimeters thin. Wait, 4.9 millimeters. That's thinner than both the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and the iPhone Air. So thin, in fact, that there's no USB port. Powerful enough for everyday tasks, but built to be expanded through modules. Yo, that's wild. Those modules attach to the back of the phone through a system of magnets and pogo pins across 8 distinct alignment zones. TECNO showed 9 to 10 different modules at MWC. We're talking a 3,000 milliamp-hour battery pack, a 3x telephoto camera, an action camera, a full mirrorless style camera grip with a detachable 23mm lens, a speaker, a wallet, and a Bluetooth extender. Bruh. And here's the thing. The modules stack. Literally. You can layer a battery pack, then a telephoto lens on top of each other, all held together magnetically. And the combined thickness still reportedly stays comparable to a standard smartphone. Okay, but how does data even work across all that? TECNO uses millimeter wave wireless transmission to keep latency low for data-heavy tasks, like using the phone as a viewfinder for the telephoto lens. They showed this in 2 design variants, the Atom Edition in silver with red accents, and the Moda Edition in dark gray with gold details. TECNO Modular Concept represents something the smartphone world could genuinely use. A rethink. Not just better specs, not just a nicer camera, a completely different approach to what a phone is and how long it should last. If you could upgrade just one part of your current phone right now, what would it be? Camera? Battery? Processor? Something else entirely? Tell me in the comments. Let's see what the community says. And if you want to stay ahead of the technology that's actually reshaping the future, this channel is where you need to be. Subscribe so you never miss a drop.